Want to make your WordPress website look sharp and easy to scan by adding indents to your text? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to indent paragraphs and other elements using the WordPress block editor, also called Gutenberg. By the end of this video, you'll confidently add indentation even though the standard tools don't offer a built-in indent button. Let's dive right in. First things first. If you've ever looked for an indent button while editing a paragraph block in WordPress, you probably noticed it's missing. That can be a little frustrating, especially if you're used to traditional text editors like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, where indenting is as simple as tapping a button. But don't worry, WordPress actually offers a couple of clever workarounds that are just as easy once you know where to look. One of the most straightforward methods is to use the classic block. This block is designed to mimic the old WordPress editor, so it includes some familiar formatting buttons, including indent controls. To use it, start by adding a new block to your post or page. Just click that little plus icon, typically at the spot where you want your indented text to go. Then type Classic in the search bar and select the Classic block from the list. Once you've got it open, take a look at the toolbar above your text. You'll see two arrow buttons, one pointing right to increase the indent and one pointing left to decrease it. Highlight the portion of text you want to indent and click the right arrow a few times to bump it inwards. If you go too far, the left arrow reverses it instantly. This method is perfect for quick adjustments within a section, and it feels very much like editing a Word document. Alternatively, you can use the quote or list blocks. These might not seem obvious at first, but both include indentation controls built right into their block toolbars. The quote block not only lets you indent, but it also visually sets your text apart, great for emphasizing testimonials or key points. The list block is also super handy for step-by-step breakdowns, since each bullet or number can be nested or indented beneath another. Just start a list, and you'll notice indent controls right away, letting you structure your points or ideas in a hierarchy that's easy for readers to follow. If you're after more precise control or want to indent multiple paragraphs at once, the group block is a fantastic option, and honestly, it's one a lot of people overlook. Here, how it works. First, select all the paragraph blocks you want to treat. You can do this by holding Shift and clicking on each block, or just select one if you're only indenting one section. Next, open the block toolbar, which appears just above the block, and click the three-dot menu. That menu gives you a group option, click it, and your selected text is now nested into a single group block. Over on the right side of your screen, find the block settings sidebar. If you can't see it, just click the little gear icon in the top corner to reveal it. Inside the sidebar, look for the dimensions panel. This is where you can adjust padding. Add left padding, maybe start with 30 pixels to create that classic indent effect. You'll see your text shift over, and you can tweak the number until it looks just right. Now remember, sometimes these changes will appear more subtle or dramatic depending on your theme and any custom styles you've got running. If you don't see the effect immediately, don't be discouraged. Try previewing your page or experiment with larger padding values. And that's all there is to it. Indenting text in WordPress might take a couple of extra clicks compared to older editors, but with these options, the classic block, the quote or list blocks, or grouping with custom padding, you can get your text looking exactly how you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, share your questions or tips in the comments below, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing.